Hi, I'm John Little, the founder and CEO of the Winner's Edge Coaching. I was really excited to have an opportunity to share with the Speaking with Confidence podcast and with Tim a lot of things around imposter syndrome, which I spend a good deal of time working with leaders on to try to overcome. We talked about trust, we talked about communication, we talked about ways that people can build the confidence within themselves to navigate past some of the things that can be self-limiting beliefs and things that can short circuit their opportunities to grow and succeed. I really enjoyed the confidence that we spoke about and helping people to build that up within themselves and start to recognize that they have an unfair advantage in the world, and that is truly themselves. So this podcast, I think, is going to help people regardless of where you are in your journey, where you are in your career and your path. A lot of great things to listen to. Hope you enjoy it.